The Centipede error code in Destiny 2 typically indicates a network connectivity issue between your device and the Destiny 2 servers. It often arises due to a high latency, packet loss, or other networking issues that cause your connection to drop or become unstable. Here's a list of things you can try to fix it. 1. Check server status. Sometimes the error can be caused by server issues on Bungie's end. Check Bungie's server status page or their Twitter account to see if there are any ongoing issues. 2. Restart your modem and router. Power cycle your modem and router to refresh your connection. Unplug them for about 5 minutes, then plug them back in. 3. Use a wired connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, consider switching to a wired Ethernet connection for a more stable and reliable internet connection. 4. Disable background applications. Other devices or programs using your internet connection could affect your game. Ensure no other devices are using up bandwidth and close any unnecessary programs running in the background on your PC or console. 5. Clear console cache for consoles. If you're playing on a console, clear the cache by turning off the console completely, no rest mode, unplugging the power cord for 5 to 10 minutes, restarting the console. 6. Check for network congestion. If multiple people are using your internet connection at the same time, it can cause network congestion. Try playing when fewer people are using the internet, or prioritize your connection if your router has quality of service QoS features. 7. Verify your internet speed. Ensure your internet speed meets the recommended requirements for online gaming. Ideally, you should have at least 3 megabits per second download and 1 megabit per second upload speed for a smooth experience. 8. Reboot the game. If the problem persists, try restarting the game or restarting your console shard PC entirely. If none of these solutions work, you may want to contact Bungie support directly for further troubleshooting. They may have specific advice based on the current network conditions or your account setup.